quenched. Your fantasies can't ever be quenched, can they? You freaking pricks! When will you learn?
Pearl Harbor.
When will
This
you
is
learn
Rad Radio
that your
coming
actions
at
have
you with
consequences?
Not much to report
Because
today,
you
other than
freaking
the fact that our
pricks
next shipment
just
of rats
can't
from the
ever
mainland should
be
arriving
quenched.
within the next
Your fantasies can't ever be quenched, can